Hi, hello, welcome to GG Creations. This is Lekha Mohan. Very good afternoon. So welcome you all for the beautiful live. Today we are going to see lots of oxidized jewelry collections. So these type of oxidized jewelry collections, we have beautiful collections in ear sets and necklaces, and we have lots of jimkis also today and colorful collections of today's earrings. So lovely collections, all budget friendly prices with flat 10% discount I am giving this for. Hi Chitra ma'am, welcome, good afternoon. Neelavati ma'am, hi. Pushpalata ma'am, hi, very good afternoon. Thanks for joining. So today will be awesome live ma'am, don't miss it. Very beautiful collections. So this is a very beautiful Chandbali earrings with the hanging pattern. We'll be getting colors at the top. So நீங்க சாரிக்கு மேட்சா எந்த கலர் வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். Hi Suja, welcome. Neelavati ma'am, hi, welcome, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. So எப்படி இருக்கு climate ரொம்ப சில்லா இருக்கா எல்லார் ஊர்லயும்? Hi Kritika, very good afternoon. So you can join soon. We will start with the live. Lots of beautiful collections today. Hi Subiksha, thank you Subiksha. Meena Shri ma'am, very good afternoon. Thanks for joining. So இன்னைக்கு நிறைய கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு மேடம். ஒவ்வொரு டிசைன்லயுமே 10 to 12 கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு. Hi Shubha, Parimala ma'am, welcome, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. So very beautiful earrings. Please join soon. We can start with the live. So flat 10% discount you'll be getting for all these collections ma'am. Earrings, necklace collections, all these you'll be getting flat 10% today. Hi Kritika Arun, welcome. Savita, hi, welcome, good afternoon. Hi Geeta ma'am, welcome Geeta ma'am. Bangalore full cloudy arga. Here also full cloudy, drizzling ma'am. From yesterday it's full heavy rain. And today from morning it's drizzling only. So start panidlama. Shall we start with the live? Hi Rupa, welcome dear. Chitra ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. So lots of new joinees today. You can follow my page. I have given my page link in the description box. You can click on the link and you can follow my page, like my page, and you can daily follow my live at sharp 12 p.m. daily. So every week, each and every day there will be live at sharp 12 p.m. Only on Sundays it's a holiday. All other days, Monday to Saturday, all days will be working days in GG Creations. Yeah, Geeta ma'am. So start panidlam. So this is a very awesome earrings ma'am. It's a Chandbali pattern with a full of salanga vechirukkom. Ungalku side ellame pathina full of salangaya irukum. I am from Bangalore. Say hi. Hi Sudha ma'am. So lots of Bangaloreans I think so today. So this is the design. So you will be getting full golusula salanga irukku. Adhe mari salanga irukku. You can see hear the sound also. Very beautiful color combination. The same piece I am wearing. So this is priced for MRP will be priced for 1180 ma'am. 1180 after discount this is for 1070. 1070 after discount I am giving this for. So we have lots of colors. This is a very beautiful green. And this is beautiful grey color. Second color, this is black I am wearing. Third color, I have sea blue in this. Very beautiful sea blue. Hi Raji ma'am. Chitra ma'am, hi. Banu ma'am, hi. Welcome. Tara ma'am, hi. And this is the fifth color, peach color ma'am. Light peach color. Is this heavy on the earlobe? No Indu, it's not too heavy Indu. It's light weighted only. So this is olive green, very beautiful olive green ma'am. Romba alaga irukku. So this is peach color, this is peach color. Hi Lekya, welcome. This is bottle green, black beauty. Thank you Chitra ma'am. This is bottle green you get. Very beautiful color combinations. All the colors are lovely ma'am. So idu vandu baby pink, superbana baby pink. See how many colors I am giving you these colors. How many earrings are there? Wow, this is a purple color ma'am. Amethyst color. Hi Saranya. Black moon dear sister. Thank you Saranya. So this is a very beautiful amethyst purple color. So 1, this is 2, this is 3, This is 4. And this is 5th color. It's a white peach. And this is olive green. 6. This is sea blue. 7. This is grey color. 8. This is mint green. 9th color and black. This is 10. So totally I have 10 colors, ma'am. All the 10 colors are very lovely. After discount 1070. This is 1180. After discount I am giving this for 1070 rupees for this piece. So immediately take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number for all your bookings. 7397739 இன்னைக்கும் notification வந்து கரெக்டா வந்துட்டேன். Thank you Chitra ma'am. Notification வந்துச்சா? யாராருக்கு notification வந்துச்சு? So you can tell who all are came in live. Please say give a hi message in the live ma'am. யாரார் இருக்கீங்களோ I am present ன்னு சொல்லுங்க. So then only I can see who all came in the live today. So black, amethyst, all colors are awesome ma'am. Olive green, bottle green, lots of color combinations. This is not too heavy ma'am. It's not too heavy, very beautiful. Pushpalata ma'am, hi ma'am, welcome. Unga photo மேலையே பார்த்துட்டேன். First unga photo தான் வந்திருந்துச்சு. Hi Asha Tilak ma'am, Ramya hi. So next I am coming with a very beautiful extraordinary design. So this is also I have 9 to 10 colors ma'am. This is a beautiful yellow. You will be getting a beautiful floral at the top, oxidized floral at the top. Chitra Ramana ma'am, good afternoon. Vijay ma'am, hi. Vaidehi, hi, welcome. Premalata ma'am, hi. Vanakkam Jagadamba ma'am, good noon. Hi Geeta ma'am. So this is an awesome yellow color. Hi Maunika. So these all are very beautiful ma'am. This is for 570. After discount I am giving this for 520 rupees ma'am. 570 இதோட price. Discount போக 520. So this is the color you get. And the shape also very beautiful. Only oxidized ma'am. இது எல்லாமே oxidized தான். Oxidized நாலே உங்களுக்கு weightless தான் இருக்கும் தெரியும். So this is not too heavy and all. Only the coral will be like little weight. இது எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு high weight கிடையாது. Oxidized jewelry எப்பவுமே light weighted தான் இருக்கும். So don't worry about the weight and all ma'am. It's very lovely pieces. In this also I have 10 colors. I'll wear and show the both. Good afternoon Apurva. Lakshmi ma'am, hi. Very good afternoon. Hi Sudha. So pretty. Thank you Geeta ma'am. So this is yellow color. Very beautiful yellow. See the combination also. So in this I'll show one by one. This is the second color. Bottle green. Yeah, these all are small size only Lekya ma'am. These all are small size only. This is bottle green. I have sea blue. Second color sea blue. This is 2. Third color. And fantastic ruby color. 4th. And the perse எடுத்துட்டு போயிடுங்க. அதாயிடுச்சு. So this is ruby color. This is black ma'am. Very beautiful black. Hi Soumya. Namaskara ma'am. So this is black. This is olive green. Leaf green சொல்லலாம், olive green சொல்லலாம், ரெண்டுமே சொல்லலாம். This is the 5th color. Wow, white color ma'am. White நல்லா இருக்கு, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. See, this is white color. So very beautiful earrings. And this is grey color ma'am. Very beautiful grey. Purple grey ma'am. Light lavender grey சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த கலர் இது. So see the peach color. See the backside finishing also. Backside also very lovely finish you will be getting in this earrings. Ma'am, order வந்து பாருங்க, WhatsApp number pin பண்ணிருக்கேன் screenல. 7397739200. அந்த நம்பருக்கு நீங்க WhatsApp பண்ணுங்க screenshot ஓட. உங்களுக்கு bank detailsம் இதுவும் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நீங்க ஜிபே பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு screenshot அனுப்பிட்டு உங்க அட்ரஸ், full address, name, full pin code ஓட அனுப்பி விட்டுருங்க. உங்களுக்கு பார்சல் வந்து professional courier இல்லாட்டி DTDCல வரும். Hi Srividya ma'am, welcome. So this is very lovely peach color ma'am. Superbana peach. And this is mint green. Very beautiful mint green in this. Superb color combinations. So these are the lovely colors we have. This is for 570. After discount I am giving it for 520 rupees for this. On with flat 10% I am giving this for all these collections ma'am. Grab yours soon. Only 3 more days for offer ma'am. Iniki 27 ஆயிடுச்சு. Till December 30th will be the offer. Here after December 30th no offers will be given ma'am. So who all wants, you can take a screenshot and book it in the WhatsApp number immediately. Okay. So அடுத்தது வந்து ஒரு அழகான டிசைனர். So this is very beautiful tilagam shape with coral. இதெல்லாம் சென்டர் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு coral designs வரும். இங்க மட்டும் உங்களுக்கு oxidized jewelry வரும். So surrounded you will be getting full oxidized jewelry. So this is very unique pattern, very light weighted jewelries all these, and this is priced for 500 rupees MRP. After discount only for 450 rupees. 450, only 450 for these pieces. In this also I have 12 to 13 colors in this ma'am. All the 13 colors are very unique in this. So these all are very light weighted only. It's not too heavy. So ரொம்ப light weighted. உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டெம்முமே சென்டர்ல தான் இருக்கு, ரொம்ப கார்னர்ல கிடையாது. So this is only for 450 ma'am. All are new arrivals. Bangalore shipping 100 rupees Viji. White 450 rupees for this piece ma'am. 450. Hi Selvi ma'am, Kasturi ma'am, hi, welcome. So this is 450, this is white color. In this we have lots of colors also. This is purple color ma'am. This is second color. First one is white, second one is purple. You can see the difference of the color combinations also. And sizes all very small sizes only. You can't get any big sizes in this. So these all are small sizes and lightweighted jewelry. So no worries ma'am. This is a very awesome piece. White color. And this is purple. In each piece I have only two pieces in each. You can screenshot immediately ma'am for all your color combinations. This is black color. This is third. One is purple, one is white, and this is black. Third one. Fourth one is olive green ma'am. This is olive green. Very beautiful color combinations. Ella colors mein match panikla neenga. This is green color. So இது எல்லாமே budget friendly னா நீங்க எல்லா கலர்லயும் ஒவ்வொன்னு கூட எடுத்துக்கலாம், ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். Each design you can take one color. This is peach color ma'am. The fixing will be awesome ma'am. Superbana fixing. This is the backside view you get. This is peach. And next comes with the mint green ma'am. Very beautiful mint green you will be getting with this. Pastel green. இதுமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இந்த black sareesக்கெல்லாம் எது போட்டாலுமே அழகா இருக்கு. எந்த கலர் போட்டாலும் நல்லா இருக்கும். This is peach mint green, and this is a very beautiful honey peach color. Honey peach color mari honeyum peachum mix ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கும். This is a lovely combo ma'am. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த combination கூட. And next comes with the grey color. Very beautiful grey. So totally 3, 6, 7, 8 colors I have shown till now. 8 color. This is the 9th color, sea blue. This is sea blue. So lots of lovely colors. இப்போ Facebookல என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா ஒரு இயரிங் மட்டும் நான் காதுல வேர் பண்ணிருப்பேன். மத்த கலர்ஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு ஃபுல்லாவே டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணி போட்டோ எடுத்திருக்கோம். சோ ரெண்டுமே கொலாஜ் பண்ணி ஒரு டிசைன் காதுல போட்டிருக்கோம், ஒரு கலர் மட்டும் காதுல போட்டிருப்பேன், ஒன்னு வந்து ஃபுல் போட்டோ இருக்கும். ரெண்டுமே கொலாஜ் பண்ணி தான் உங்களுக்கு போஸ்ட் பண்ண போறாங்க. சோ உங்களுக்கு எந்த கலர் வேணுமோ அதை நீங்க ஒரு பென்சில்ல மார்க் பண்ணி சர்க்கிள் பண்ணி எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு விடுங்க போதும். ஓகேவா? வாட்டர் மார்க் போட்டு அனுப்பிச்சு விடுங்க எந்த கலர் வேணுமோ. This is yellow color ma'am. This is the 9th color. 10th color will be baby pink. Very beautiful baby pink for the 10th color. And 11th color, ruby. This is a lovely fantastic ruby color. This is also very unique ma'am. இந்த ரூபியுமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு கலருமே அவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. This is bottle green. This is a 12th color ma'am. Totally 12 colors I have shown in this. After discount 450 ma'am. 500 is the MRP. After discount 450 rupees for this piece. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number 73977392200 for all your bookings. Hi Shubha, welcome Shubha. So next, it's a full oxidized jewelry. Only one color is available in this design. So there is no more colors. It's a plain oxidized earrings ma'am. So அதுவும் நான் போட்டு காட்டிடுறேன். எப்படி இருக்கு டிசைனும் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிடுறேன். So this is a plain oxidized. You will be getting only L'Oreals ma'am. Pearl L'Oreals. Pearls will be fixed at the bottom. ஒரு bunch of pearls வந்து ஒரு 15 to 20 pearls fix பண்ணா எப்படி இருக்குமோ அது மாதிரி இருக்கு. ரொம்ப கியூட்டா இருக்கு. It's a full oxidized jewelry. And this is priced for 400. After discount 360 rupees. 360. 360 for this piece. So see this piece. Very lovely unique combination ma'am. Romba அழகா இருக்கு. This is for 360 rupees. After discount you will be getting this. Hi Suma ma'am, welcome. Bhagyashree ma'am, hi. நீங்கள் இதெல்லாமே போட்டு பேக் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் டேக் ஒட்ட சொல்லுங்கள். டேக் இன்னும் ஒட்டலை எதுலேயுமே.
3 டேக் 4 டேக் இருக்குது. 2 செட்டில்
போட்டால் 2 கவரில் இந்த பக்கம் இந்த பக்கம் கவரில் ஒட்டிடுங்க. 2 வந்து பீஸில் வந்து டேக் ஒட்டுங்க. So next comes with the very beautiful lovely hangings. You will be getting Mona Lisa bead hangings at the bottom and full of coral design here with peacock. You will be getting a very beautiful Annapakshi and colorful stone at the top. It's a beautiful hanging earrings. In this also I have 6 colors I have, ma'am. Totally I have 6 colors in this. All the 6 colors are very unique in this. This is 930 rupees MRP. After discount I am giving this for 840 rupees. 840 ரூபாய்க்கு தான் தரேன். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. 840க்கு சூப்பரா இருக்கு. ஹாய் கார்த்திகா. மஞ்சுளா மேம் ஹாய் வெல்கம். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேன் கார்த்திகா. நீங்க தான் ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு ஆளே காணோம் லைவ்ல. ஹாய் மீனா. Yeah Manjula ma'am, good noon Manjula ma'am. Lots of Manjula ma'am today. So this is a sea blue, fantastic sea blue. This is 840 rupees for this oxidized jewelry. Lots of beautiful color combination ma'am. And the beads hanging kuda avlo neat ah irukku ma'am. Ovvonadukku color paathu beads hang pannirukku. So this is sea blue with sea blue hangings. And we have second color baby pink. Wow, baby pink ma'am. You will be getting baby pink Mona Lisa beads itself. Wow. This is also pastel green. Hi Swati, welcome Swati. Swati, this is for 840 rupees Swati. 840. Amma akka konjam personal work. Adha vara mudiyala. Parvala. Mangal Sutra offer available. Irukku Karthika na podrenda inik full oxidized potache naளைக்கு நான் எடுத்துட்டு வரேன். So this is very awesome piece with the very beautiful mint green. இல்ல நீங்க வீடியோ கால் வந்து கூட நீங்க ஆஃபர் செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்டா. நீங்க மங்கள் சூத்ரா செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Hi Pavitra, welcome Pavitra. Very lovely piece. This is a pastel green. I have one more color. This is ruby. Fourth color. Namaste Asha Rani ma'am, welcome. This is fantastic ruby. This is also very awesome. ஒவ்வொரு கலருமே போட்டு பார்த்தாதான் மேடம் அதோட ரிச்னஸ் தெரியுது. அப்படியே பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியாது. So each and every one which I wear, if I wear it will be awesome. So you wear and see each and every color. ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கலர்ஸா ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. எப்பவுமே ரூபி கிரீன் இதே தான் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இந்த மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கலர்ஸ் ஒயிட் எல்லாமே எடுத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் ஒயிட் அண்ட் ஐ ஹாவ் பாட்டில் கிரீன் இன் திஸ். See this bottle green. Very beautiful bottle green in the oxidized jewelry. So totally I have shown 6 colors in this ma'am. All the 6 colors are awesome. 840 rupees after discount. MRP will be 930. So shall we move on to next piece? அடுத்த piece இன்னுமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Lovely combination with gold and oxidized. It's a fusion necklace, fusion earrings. So you'll be getting mix match colors in that. So you'll be getting little gold in that and little silver in that. Silver and oxidized. Gold and oxidized you'll be getting mixed match. And backside you'll be getting with the clip itself ma'am. இது எல்லாமே கிளிப்போடவே இருக்கு இயரிங்ஸ். ஸோ யூல் பி கெட்டிங் ஆசம். அண்ட் இதுவும் வந்து லைட் வெயிட்டர் தான், ரொம்ப கிரிப்பா தான் இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. இது ஸ்க்ரூவே போட தேவையில்லை, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். ஐ வேர் அண்ட் ஷோ ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி பீஸ் மேம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ ரூபி கலர், lovely ruby. So I didn't wear the screw itself ma'am. Now only I am wearing the screw. See this ruby color. Yesterday Jimka's collection superb. I booked a beautiful multicolor Jimki. Thank you Manjula ma'am. Thanks for shopping. So this is a lovely ruby color. You can see the gold and silver combination in this, and you can see the pearls also hangings in this, and coral at the center. Colorful corals. This is 820 rupees. After discount 740 rupees. After discount you are getting this 740 ma'am. These also very lovely colors. So for one is ruby, second is bottle green. I am showing this bottle green. This the colors romba ungalku ellame display agudha, correct display therida. Can you see the colors clearly ma'am? So anybody can reply with this. So this is bottle green, this is baby pink ma'am. Very beautiful baby pink. You get third color. Very good collections. Thank you Sidhu. So this is sea blue. This is the fourth color. Fourth color is sea blue. And the fifth one, yes ma'am. Okay Asharinu. Hi Paru. This is black. Hi Geeta ma'am. Thank you so much for all your replies ma'am. This is black. We have sea green. This is a mint green, pastel green in this. Thank you, Siddhu. This is white. Very beautiful white color. All the colors are very unique. இது மாதிரி போட்டிங்கன்னா அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும் மேடம். டெய்லி நீங்க ஆபீஸுக்கு கூட கலர்ஸ் ஆர் சூப்பர். தேங்க்யூ சுதா. ஆபீஸுக்கு கூட டெய்லி ஒவ்வொரு கலர் கூட போட்டுக்கலாம். ஆனா எல்லாமே பட்ஜெட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா தான் இருக்கு. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இயரிங்ஸ் பாக்குறதுக்கு. This is olive green ma. Olive green. This is peach color. This is 740 Soumya. 740 after discount. 820 is the MRP. After discount 740. Peach color. And this is yellow color. Very beautiful yellow. Superb yellow. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஒவ்வொரு கலருமே அவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கு. See how many colors I am catching in my hand. This is purple. Lovely purple. It's amethyst color. Superb. This is peach color. Very beautiful peach. And this is grey. Very beautiful grey ma'am. இது வந்து light lavender mix ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு வீடியோக்கு. ஆனா இது grey color, dark grey. Wow collection. Thank you ma'am. It's a very beautiful grey. 14 colors I have shown in this ma'am. This is bottle green. So totally I have shown 14 colors in this. All the 14 colors are very unique, very beautiful. See the color and see the way it is standing on the ears. Lovely piece ma'am. அவ்வளோ கிராண்டா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு பாக்குறதுக்கு. எல்லா சாரீஸுமே வேர் பண்ணலாம். யூ கேன் வேர் ஃபார் ராமா கிரீன். So this is for Rama green ma'am. This is Rama green. So totally 15 colors I have shown. Totally 15 colors. Rama green, olive green, bottle green, 3 color greens and mint green. 4 greens are available. One is pastel, one is olive green, one is Rama green, one is bottle green. 4 greens I have shown today. So totally 15 colors I have shown in this. Hi Elizabeth ma'am, good afternoon. So இது யாருக்கா gift பண்ணா கூட பண்ணலாம் மேடம். நியூ இயர்க்கு யாருக்கா gift கொடுக்கணும், இல்ல அவங்க அட்ரஸே நீங்க டைரக்டா கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா கூட அவங்களுக்கே gift பண்ணிடலாம் நியூ இயர்க்கு. So lots of awesome collections, very beautiful pieces ma'am. So don't miss this offers ma'am. Flat 10% discount I have given this for oxidized jewelry. So அடுத்தது வந்து I will show you a lovely Ganesha earrings ma'am. You will be getting the coral with the Ganesha. Ganesha clear So I am showing the Ganesha here ma'am. I will show in the back camera. You can see the clear view. You will be getting Ganesha idol here with a beautiful oxidized earrings with the bottom, and you will be getting rice pearls surrounded with the earrings. So I'll show you the back camera. You can see the view also ma'am, how it is. See the Ganesha. You can see the lovely Ganesha idol here. Superb arco. It's a 3D finished Ganesha ma'am. Can you see it clearly ma'am? Can you see the Ganesha clearly? So in this also I have 15 colors. 13 colors I have totally ma'am. In this I have 13 colors. All the lovely colors are very unique. In this very beautiful, this is Ganesha. Superb Ganesha you will be getting with the pearls, rice pearls at the surrounding one, and you will be getting a plate here. Superb argo. So this also I will wear and show. Ganesha is awesome in the earrings ma'am. 13 colors mein romba different ana unique color combinations. எதுலயுமே வராத earrings colors எல்லாம் இதுல வந்திருக்கு. So this is ruby color. I am wearing this. So I will show all the colors. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. So immediately take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp numbers ma'am. Only minimum stocks 2 pieces available in each color. So this is fantastic ruby. So second one, it's a very beautiful grey color ma'am. Dark grey. Dark grey. Wow. Lovely black ma'am. Awesome black color. So this is a peach color ma'am. Lovely peach. It's a beautiful peach color. This is bottle green. Superb bottle green in this. Olive green. This is olive green. Olive green il arakku pacha idu vena sollalam. So this is white color ma'am. Beautiful white. Renuka, this is 710 rupees MRP dear. After discount it is 640. 640. 640 rupees for this piece after discount. This is sea blue. Purple color. Beautiful purple. This is mint green. Superb mint green. Yeah, I have shown already, Vilma ma'am. I have shown the back camera already. Geeta Balaji ma'am, this is price for 640 ma'am. 640 each color. This is baby pink. And this is very beautiful yellow color. Bright yellow. Superb yellow color. All the colors are very unique in this ma'am. This is peach. 13 colors I have shown already. So totally I have shown 13 colors. All the 13 colors are very unique. So colorful ma'am. Romba colorful irukku kaiyila irukradhukku. 640 rupees after discount ma'am. 640 you can take a screenshot like this. You can see all the colors in the picture itself. So already the pictures will be posted I think so ma'am. Within 10 minutes you will be getting all the postings. Very beautiful postings you will be getting. ஒன்னு வந்து அதான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா காதுல ஒன்னு மட்டும் போட்டிருப்பேன் ஒரு கலர் one color I will be wearing in the ears and other colors will be displayed in the photo itself. You can select the color and you can circle and send. Okay. So next வந்து ஒரு அழகான traditional with oxide jewelry I am wearing. Very beautiful piece. Green crystal chain with long pendant. How much? Paru, please go to the WhatsApp number ma. They will tell the cost for all these ma. Okay, okay Paru. So this is very beautiful Lakshmi ma'am. You will be getting a superb Lakshmi. Ganesha so cute. Thank you ma'am. You will be getting a floral coral at the center and you will be getting clip at the back. See all are clip earrings. Beautiful Lakshmi earrings ma'am. So this is 680 rupees. After discount, I am giving this for 620 rupees after discount for today. Okay. 620. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Okay. 620. This is very beautiful ma'am. Lovely piece with baby pink. So I have one with the clip only ma'am. So cute Ramya. It's very beautiful earrings all these. So see the color combination. Lovely baby pink. This is matching for my saree also. So beautiful irukku. Idhiliyum pathina 11 colors I have in this. Totally I have 11 colors ma. All the 11 colors are very awesome. Okay. So this is baby pink. Clipper karnala ungalku romba hang agadu. So ungalku grip ave irukku. So without the screw itself it's standing very good. Okay. This is baby pink first color. Second color is very beautiful yellow color ma'am. Superb yellow. Very beautiful yellow. This is sea blue. Romba alagana sea blue. Third color. Fourth is white color ma'am. Wow earrings. Thank you Paru. This is white. This is bottle green. Superb bottle green. Peach color. So minimum pathina ellathiliyume ella colors me irukku. This is purple. Amethyst color. This is purple color. So ellame earrings romba alaga irukku madam. This is mint green. Superb mint green. This is black. Superb black idu. And next olive green. Ruby, maroon color, light maroon. Lakshmi romba neat-a theriyudhu parunga. Ganesha Vava, thank you Meena ma'am. Ganesha va alaga irukku, Lakshmi ella earrings me romba alaga irukku madam. Edume thappu sollave mudiyala. Idu nalla irukku, idu nalla illanu edume vandu intimate panni solla mudiyala. Ella earrings me ovvonu over uniqueness ah irukku. So edume tallave mudiyala. Idu வேண்டான்னு சொல்லி தள்ளவே முடியல. அவ்வளவு அழகா செலக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் ஒவ்வொண்ணுமே. So you can take a screenshot ma'am. With the Lakshmi, it is awesome. And this is after discount 620 rupees ma'am. Thank you Bhagya ma'am. Superb collection kuduthirkeenga. Thank you so much. Hi Prasunna, welcome. So next one ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான பீகாக் இருக்கு டாப்ல. You will be getting one peacock at the top and fullaவே அந்த ஸ்கொயர் fullaவே சலங்க இருக்கும். So center you will be getting a square rectangle type of coral at the center. lovely peacock at the top. You can see the side view also. So this is the side view and the stem will be like this. So இது வந்து நான் grey போட்டு காமிக்கிறேன். In this also I have 11 colors in this also ma'am. In this also I have 11 colors. Very beautiful combo ma'am. ஒவ்வொன்றுமே அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு பார்க்கிறதுக்கு. So this is all weightless earrings only. It's not too heavy ma'am. So you can gift it for dearies and you can gift it for New Year also ma'am. So நீங்க எங்க நீங்க கொரியர் போட சொல்றீங்களோ அங்க கூட நாங்க போட்டுறலாம். ஒன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்ல. டைரக்டா உங்களுக்கு கூட கொரியர் போட்டுறலாம். நீங்க விஷஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ண சொன்னாலும் நாங்க சேர்ந்து விஷஸ் பண்ணி கூட அனுப்புறோம். So this is lovely grey color. How is this ma'am? எப்படி இருக்கு இந்த collection? It's a beautiful color ma'am. I love this piece. சூப்பரா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. பார்க்கிறதுக்கே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. All collections superb. Thank you Vijay ma'am. So this is a golden yellow. Very beautiful golden yellow. This is grey color. This is second color yellow. So I'll show the design once at the back camera. Received parcel yesterday. Worth the money. Very happy. Have also shared your page with my cousins and friends. Thanks a lot. Welcome ma'am. Thank you Sarla ma'am. So this is a golden yellow. Second color. This is ruby. Very beautiful maroon ma'am. Nalla or maroon solla ruby solla. So see this piece. Ruby color. This is white. Collection so gorgeous. Thank you Ramya. So this is sea blue dearies. அழகா சத்தம் வருது பாருங்க. This is sea blue. Thank you Geeta ma'am. So this is mint green. Superbana mint green. Ma'am, big size already I have shown ma'am. You please go through the live. They will be posting all the collections ma'am. All the big size also I have shown already. This is baby pink. See how many colors I am keeping in my hand. Baby pink கொடுத்துட்டீங்க.
இது டார்க் பேபி பிங்க் இல்ல.
ஓ. Ma'am, pink லயே ரெண்டு இருக்கு மேடம். டார்க் பிங்க்கும் இருக்கு, லைட் பிங்க்கும் இருக்கு. So this is dark pink, this is light pink.
Violet.
Purple color. This is purple. Very beautiful purple. And this is bottle green. So totally 13 colors in this I have shown ma'am. All the 13 colors are very unique. Superbana piece. Don't miss it. After discount 690 rupees only for these pieces. 760. Discount poga 690. அடுத்தது இதுக்கு போலாம். நெக்லஸ் காமிச்சிடலாம். அப்புறம் கம்மல் காமிச்சிடலாம். So next I am going for some neckwears. So neckwears में offer ல இருக்கு. Beautiful collection. Thank you Sindhya. So I'll wear one and show, then you can go through it, okay? So I'm wearing with this. So this is priced for 450 rupees ma'am. 450. Discount poga you will be getting for 410 rupees ma'am. 410 you will be getting after discount. யார் கஸ்டமர் இருக்காங்க எடுத்துட்டு போங்க அதுல மைனஸ் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க கையோட. பாக்ஸ் அப்படியே எடுத்துட்டு போங்க ரோசி. பாக்ஸ் நம்பர் மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அப்ப கொண்டு வச்சோம். So see this piece ma'am. This is a very beautiful neck piece with a very lovely peacock at the time. So this is the earrings. Very lovely earrings you will be getting. Superb earrings. And earrings also very awesome in this ma'am. Thank you Jyoti ma'am. Thank you so much. So this is the earrings. This is a full set ma'am. Full set you will be getting for 410 rupees. 410. I have 4 color combinations in this. This is with red and green I am wearing ma'am. இதுல color combinations இருக்கு. 450 க்கு ரொம்ப 410 க்கு தாராளமா எடுத்துக்கலாம். So already sales பண்ணது 450 ரூபாய் சேல்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இப்ப 410 ரூபாய்க்கு தான் தர போறேன். So this is ruby ma'am. See fantastic ruby with the pearl hangings you will be getting all these collections. This ruby with peacock. This is white color.
Black.
And this is full black I am giving. So 4 colors I have in this totally. So black, white, ruby and ruby green. All the 4 colors are very unique. This is with the 3/4 you will be getting. This with the earrings. 410 rupees only. Only 410. You can take immediately ma'am. Superba irukku. Don't miss this offers. Only 3 more days you will be getting this offers. Okay. 410 only for 410. டக்கு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து வாட்ஸ்அப் வந்துருங்க. சூப்பர்பான கலெக்ஷன்ஸ், டோன்ட் மிஸ் இட். ஓகே, so next design I have two colors in that. So that is also very beautiful color combinations. I am wearing the ruby now. So superbana ruby wear பண்றேன். This is the design I am wearing. So you'll be getting full of florals, ma'am. இதுல temple collections எதுவுமே வராது. So everybody can wear this. With the pearls it is, with the earrings 390 rupees. After discount 350. 390 இது சேல்ஸ் பண்ணது. இப்ப கொடுக்கிறது 350 rupees only after discount. 350. After discount 350 rupees only for this. So this is a lovely ruby color, ma'am. One more color I have in this, that is a beautiful black, and this is the earrings pattern you will be getting. Black color and ruby color. Two colors I have. This is a very beautiful ruby color, and I have lovely black also in this. This is the earrings part you get. Hi Radhika, good afternoon Radhika. Two colors available. 350 rupees for this piece. 350. Only for 350 I am giving this. So this is the next one more neck piece, and this is with floral and colorful stones. Only green is available in this, ma'am. Black super. Thank you Geeta ma'am. You can WhatsApp in my WhatsApp number. Okay. So this is very beautiful green color. In this only one color available, ma'am. In this only one color I have. This is beautiful oxidized jewelry. This is price for 450. After discount 410 rupees. 410. Only for 410 with the earrings I am giving this. Only single piece available in this, ma'am. ஒரே ஒரு piece தான் இருக்கு. So immediately you can screenshot and WhatsApp to the number. Green 2 pieces I have, ma'am. Only one color. I have 2 pieces in green. Awesome with earrings. 410 rupees for this piece. So next, I am wearing with a very beautiful ink blue. This is also very beautiful. This is 550. After discount, you will be getting for rupees 500 rupees, ma'am. After discount, only 500 rupees I am giving this piece. With the earrings, it is 500 rupees only. So quality romba nalla irukku in the oxidized. This is a blue color. I'll show the earrings also. In this I have 5 colors: ruby color, bottle green, mint green, ruby green and blue. 5 colors I have in this. The ruby green solid. Today bracelets and mangalsutra offer la காட்றேன்னு சொன்னீங்க. bracelets நேத்தே காட்டியாச்சுடா. ரெஜினா நேத்து பாருங்க, நேத்தே ஆஃபர்ல காட்டியாச்சு. நீங்க பார்க்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நேத்து லைவ், நேத்து நிறைய bracelets ஆஃபர்ஸ்ல போட்டிருக்கோம் பாருங்க. So this is earrings. Blue color, ma'am. Beautiful blue color in this. Fantastic color combination. And this is for 550 rupees. After discount, 500 rupees I am giving this. This is the earrings. Small earrings only. So I'll show the colors in this. If you want a back chain, you have to pay extra for this, ma'am. Back chain venna extra pay panni aganum. So this is ruby. This is bottle green. Second color. Third will be mint green. Pista green, ma'am. This is the pista green. And this is red and green. Ruby green. So totally blue. This is 5 colors I have. Ruby green, mint green, bottle green and ruby. So this is for 500 rupees with the earrings, ma'am. After discount. After discount only 500 rupees I am giving this. So grab yours this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity, ma'am. Superb collections. So next comes with a very awesome lovely choker type, ma'am. இதுவுமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இது ஆஃபர் போக நல்ல ஆஃபர் இது. So you can't get this piece for this price. வேற level. Thank you Chitra ma'am. So இதோட price வந்து 950 950. After discount only for 860 I am giving this. 950 after discount 860 rupees I am giving this piece, ma'am. It's a lovely beautiful choker, ma'am. Superba irukku. So fantastic earrings also I have in this. See how beautiful it looks. இதுக்கு earrings மே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. It's a bottle green earrings. So centerல என்ன floral இருக்கோ அதே மாதிரி earringsலயும் இருக்கு. Shanti Devi ma'am, welcome. Why ma'am so late today? So this is bottle green. So this is 950 after discount 860 rupees I am giving this. So adile innone irukku madam, ink blue irukku. It's a Pepsi blue or ink blue, you can say twice. ரெண்டு கலருமே சொல்லலாம். பாருங்க எவ்வளவு அட்டகாசமா இருக்கு. சூப்பரா இருக்கும். நீங்க போட்டுட்டு போனீங்கன்னா அவ்வளோ ரிச்னஸா இருக்கும் இந்த கலெக்ஷன். So this is same color, blue color I have. Yeah, Kalaivani ma'am, thank you. Hi Banu ma'am, welcome. Ma'am, silver color collection. Yeah, Geeta ma'am, these all are silver color collections only. This is very beautiful blue color. This is bottle green. I have two color combinations in this. Each color will be lovely and unique, ma'am. Rendu color is super. After discount, it is 860. Unbelievable price I am giving this. 860 rupees. Two colors I have in this. So you will be getting a backside rope also in the black color. It's adjustable rope. It's a very beautiful green color, lovely green. இதே தானே கைதும் ரெண்டு ஒரே டிசைன் தான். ரெண்டு தடவை எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கீங்க.
இதுல பிளாக் இருக்கு.
பிளாக் இல்ல அதுல.
இதுல பிளாக் இல்ல.
So sorry ma'am, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு நெக்லஸ் காமிச்சல அதுல பிளாக்குமே இருக்கு மேடம். I have black also in that. So 6 colors I have in this necklace. I have blue color, bottle green, ruby green, mint green, black and blue color. Full ruby also I have in this. So black ரொம்ப அட்டகாசமா இருக்கு. So don't miss this collections, okay? So next comes with a lovely piece, and this is a 3/4 neck piece, ma'am. This 3/4 irukku. So this is the height you get. This is ruby color. I have a fantastic. How is our GJ family? GJ family is awesome, ma'am. Ellarume nalla irukanga. So this is ruby, and this is the earrings you get. And this is price for rupees 350 rupees. After discount 320 rupees, ma'am. Only for 320 I am giving this. Two colors I have. One is bottle green and one is ruby. So 320 ரூபா மட்டும் தான் வருது. Only 320 I am giving this. Me black saree super. Thank you so much, ma'am. So very awesome piece, ma'am. Chana బాగుంటుంది. Super piece. Only for 320 rupees. Yeah, Lekha was late today. My grandson has come for holidays. Okay, Chitra ma'am, enjoy with your grandson. Thank you, Geeta ma'am. Thank you. So this is one more neck piece I have. This is also very awesome, ma'am. Super banana neck piece. Okay. Post பண்ணுங்க.
இதுல கலர் இருக்கு. இது கலர் காமிச்சேன்.
நிறைய இருக்கா? சரி.
கலர் காமிச்சிட்டேன்.
So this is very lovely bottle green in this. Super with the pearl hangings. In this I have two colors, ruby green and full green I have in this. This is price for rupees 500 rupees. After discount 450. 450. 450 I am giving this. Only for 450 rupees, ma'am, I am giving this. So don't miss this offers, ma'am. Super banana offers. So this is the piece you get. This is also 3/4 and earrings will be awesome in this. Only 450 rupees for this pin. 450. Earrings also very beautiful. And I have one more color. This is ruby green. This is ruby green and this is bottle green. Full green. Only 2 colors I have in this. 2 colors are awesome and the earrings will be like this is silk ma'am. One ruby and one green you will be getting in this. Only for 450 rupees ma'am. இது எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு சிங்கிள்ஸ் இல்ல டபுள் தான் இருக்கும். லாங் நெக்லஸ் I will give you after 10 days பவித்ரா. ஓகே. ஒரு 10 daysல வந்துரும் லாங் எல்லாம் கொடுக்குறேன் நான். ஓகேவா? சோ அப்ப வந்து இந்த ஆஃபர் கேட்காதீங்க. ஆஃபர் அப்ப இல்ல. Next வந்து ஒரு அழகான முல்லைப்பூ நெக்லஸ் மாதிரியே இருக்கும். So see the design also. Very beautiful necklace in this. I have totally 4 colors in this ma'am. All the 4 colors are very unique. This is price for rupees 450 ma'am. 450 after discount. 450 ரூபாய்க்கா? 450 after discount 410 rupees I am giving this. 410 only for 410. So this is also very beautiful piece. So this is black color. I have one more in this ruby. This is ruby color. This is bottle green. Bottle green, this is second one. And this is third one. Totally 4 colors. Hi Jyoti ma'am, welcome. So this is totally 4 colors. Black, ruby, bottle green, ruby green. And earrings will be very beautiful in this. It's a small earrings for this. Only for 410 rupees ma'am. Sorry, 420 rupees. 410. 410. Only for 410 I am giving this neck pieces. I got my parcel. It's wonderful. Loved it. Thank you so much Bhumika. Next also one more design. This is for 390 rupees ma'am. 390. After discount 350 rupees I am giving this. 350 I am giving this piece for you. Okay. 350 rupees ma'am. Only 350. This is ruby green. I have lovely black in this. This is black. I have blue in this. Superbana blue. See the combinations. And this is the earrings. So totally this is only for 350 rupees ma'am. Each piece will be coming for 350 after discount. So take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number will be 73977399200 for all your bookings. அது ரெண்டு தடவை எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கீங்க அந்த நெக்லஸ். அந்த நெக்லஸ் So it's a turquoise blue necklace ma'am. White இருக்கறா அப்ப சின்னவர். So this is a very beautiful turquoise blue ma'am. Lovely turquoise blue. See this turquoise blue and this is earrings also very beautiful. 350 rupees ma'am. After discount 320. 320 rupees for this piece after discount. It's a small earrings. I'll show all the colors in this. So it's a beautiful Pepsi blue. Superbana blue. See this blue also. Blue is also very awesome. Blue mein alaga irukku. I have ruby in this. This is ruby. Bottle green. See the colors now. Lovely colors. This is ruby green. All are fantastic colors. And this is turquoise blue. So all the colors are very unique. 320 rupees after discount ma'am. Only for 320 I am giving this. So don't miss it. All the collections are very unique ma'am. Stay tuned for more and more collections daily. Daily we will be coming sharp at 12 p.m. For all your collections, you can come to this WhatsApp number 73977399200. Okay. So this is one more design I am going to show. This is very awesome. 600 rupees for this piece. After discount, 540 ma'am. 540. 540 I am giving this. So in this also I have 3 colors in this. Only for 540. Very beautiful. No idols in this. Without any idols I am giving this. It's the earrings for this. 540 rupees after discount. 3 colors available. Full ruby, full green and ruby green. All the 3 colors are very unique. So this is the earrings you get. Bangalore 100 rupees Raji ma'am. 100 rupees for Bangalore. So this is very beautiful ruby green in this ma'am. Super banana ruby green with necklace and this is bottle green.
What is it?
So this is 540 rupees after discount you get. 540. This is ruby green. And one more color I have full ruby in this. Beautiful ruby. Ruby, bottle green and ruby green. 3 colors awesome. All the 3 colors each 540. 540 rupees for these pieces. So next வந்து ஒரு அழகான இயரிங்ஸ் இருக்கு. சூப்பரான இயரிங்ஸ் அண்ட் இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா அப்படியே அழகா விசிறி மாதிரியே படர்ந்து இருக்கும். இந்த இயரிங்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவ்வளோ ஒரு டிஃபரெண்டான யூனிக் பேட்டர்ன். See the earrings. 220 rupees ma'am. After discount you will be getting for 200 rupees. 200 rupees after discount I am giving this. So flat 10% I am giving discount for all the pieces. Only 200 rupees each. So 200 க்கு இவ்ளோ பெரிய இயரிங்ஸ் சான்ஸே இல்ல மேடம். யாருக்கு வேணுமோ இமிடியேட்டா வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணி வாங்கிக்கோங்க. In this I have lovely colors. Ma'am, black neck chains show. Black neck chains I have shown today lots of designs. Geeta ma'am, please go through the page. Okay, they will be posting all the collections now. Okay, so see this piece. I have to take screenshot. Raji ma'am, ellame keela kondu poitan. They will be posting the pics ma'am in the Facebook. You can take a screenshot and come. So I have lovely color combinations. This is a dark blue which I am wearing. This is ruby color ma'am. Fantastic ruby. This is ruby green.
White with ruby.
This is white with ruby. See the finishing and design how it is. Face க்கு ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். This is ruby white. This is full green, bottle green,
Multicolor.
and this is multicolor ma'am. Wow, all pastel colors in multi. Super pastel colors you will be getting.
Full white.
And this is full white.
7 colors.
So all the 7 colors are exclusive. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு ஒவ்வொரு கலருமே. Only for 200 rupees I am giving this. Just 200 rupees. So கண்ண மூடிட்டு வாங்கிக்கலாம். 200 க்கு என்ன மேடம் வந்துச்சு? சான்ஸே இல்ல. Only 3 more days Raji ma'am. December 30th is the last day for the discount offer. So one more design. This is also with a lovely multicolor. This is also very cute earrings. And this is priced for 270 rupees ma'am. After discount 240. 240 rupees I am giving this. 240. See this earrings ma'am. Very beautiful earrings you will be getting in this. 240. In this also I have lots of colors. I will show all the colors in this.
5 color.
This is multicolor. Good afternoon Meenu. This is black. This is bottle green with ruby.
White with ruby.
This is white with ruby.
Bottle green.
This is bottle green. So all these colors are awesome in this ma'am. Only for 240 rupees I am giving this. இது ஒன்று மட்டும் கொடுத்துருங்க, போஸ்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க.
இது அதே ரேட்டு தான்.
270 அது.
ஆமா.
So this is the last piece for today's live. Extraordinary colors are there. மேல வந்து ஒரு அழகான லீவ் டிசைன் இருக்கும். சோ கீழ வந்து அழகான green கலர். சோ கீழ கலர்ஸ் மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் மேடம். only the bottom colors will be changed. Okay, 270 after discount 240 rupees I am giving this. 240. Lovely color combinations ma'am. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். So this is green color I am wearing. 240. So now I am showing the colors. This is yellow color. This is bottle green. This is maroon color. Superb maroon. மேம் வெயிட் எல்லாமே லோ வெயிட் தான் மேடம். லெஸ் வெயிட்டா தான் இருக்கு அனிதா. யோசிக்காம எடுத்துக்கலாம். எல்லாமே லெஸ் வெயிட் இயரிங்ஸ் தான். Hema ma'am, you please come to the WhatsApp number with the screenshot. They will tell the price for you ma'am. Okay. So this is orange color ma'am. Orange. Pepsi blue. Wow. Superb blue ma'am. செமையா இருக்கு color. Pepsi blue. Grey color. This is grey. Red கொடுங்க. Baby pink. This is baby pink. I have red color. Awesome red. Blood red. So these all are for 240 rupees after discount ma'am. So இன்னைக்கு collections எல்லாமே சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சு. ஒவ்வொண்ணுமே அவ்வளவு அட்டகாசமா இருந்துச்சு. So take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. All the colors will be awesome and different ma'am. Lovely colors. Lovely price. All are budget friendly price only. So immediately who all wants only two colors in available in each piece ma'am. 2 pieces available in each color. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number for all your bookings. 7397739 for all your bookings. So that's it. Signing off. This is Lekha Morgan from GJ Creations. Tomorrow we'll meet you in other live. And இது மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Only 3 more days left out for the discount offer. December 30th will be the last day for the offer. So don't miss it. Only 3 more days. Count your days for the offer collections and grab your soon all the collections. Bye-bye. Signing off.